In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add a border or outline around a video clip. This is useful when you want to create picture-in-picture layouts, highlight a clip, or add a stylized frame around your footage. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for stroke. Drag and drop the stroke effect onto your clip. Now open the effect controls panel. First, enable the apply prescale option in the pre-transform section. This ensures the stroke is calculated based on the scaled size of the clip. Next, adjust the size value. This controls how thick the border appears around the video. Now, adjust the roundness value. When the value is 0, the corners remain sharp and square. If you increase it toward 100, the corners become more rounded. Next, choose the color for the border. After selecting the color, increase the colorize value to 100 so the border fully adopts the selected color. Now, play the clip and you'll see a clean border around the video. You can experiment with the size, color, and roundness to match the style of your video. And that's it. You've successfully created a video border using the stroke effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.